Hey guys, welcome to another V-Strom part installation video. Today we have from Evotech Performance all the way in the UK a radiator guard. It does look pretty clean, although we do have an unwanted passenger right there. What we're going to do is lightly clean it, and if you don't already know about these radiators, they're very fine, delicate aluminum fins in there, and you don't want to be really rough with them. You want to be very delicate with them. I'm probably going to use a toothbrush. It's always good to have, you know, for fine-tuned detailing and things. Yeah, we're just going to wipe this off a little bit. So let's see if we can get this bee out of here. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing this panel here and wedging the radiator guard in. So we're going to put neoprene on these two sides here. And then this hole down here, we're going to remove this little rubber piece here. Behind this is a bolt, and we're going to bolt the radiator guard in. So let me get my tools, and we'll come back in a minute. Just little clips in here. Boom. All right, and there it is. Got this part removed here, and you can see there are the three holes for the bolts, and there are these little clips. Those two little clips that hold it in place. Now that we have that done, we are going to put these little neoprene pads on the inside here, along here and along here. So when this is placed on the radiator, it's not metal on metal. So we finished putting on little neoprene pads on the sides of the radiator. And now the next step is to get this rubber piece off. Boy, that's going to be a bitch getting that back on. Okay. And then let's just pull down and up. Okay. So that was all right. I didn't want to tear this. And okay, so yeah. So this whole piece comes out. Go. It seems to be okay. Something seems to be catching on that side. Not sure what that is there. Oh, there we go. So now, what I want to try to do is get this in between here. So we just want to see for fitment, and then we're okay. Looks good to me. Now we're going to tighten this bolt up, and we're done. I've got a screwdriver or something I can get that rubber piece in there. So I've got that rubber piece in now. We just got to get it in here. Oh. Boom. Okay. So you can see I got this plastic part back in here. It is very hard to do because it's very hard to see that this bolt up here, but by some miracle and a little prayer, I got it back in there. So, and there is the finished product, the Evotech Performance radiator guard. Now there is some play here. Not too concerned about it. Really just want something here in front of the radiator, so any big rocks or things that hit this instead of the radiator itself. So, and as you can see, this is a very fine mesh, so it's going to let all the air in, but it's going to keep out even the smallest of rocks from hitting that. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching me struggle with my radiator guard install. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See ya. And ride safe. Tips I have, especially for older guys, is invest in a bike stand. Yeah, I'm going to say it again if I didn't say it before, but if you do your own work on your bike, you plan to do a lot of work, and you're over the age of 50, what you want to do is, again, I'm not going to stress this enough, if you're over, I'm going to say over 40 now, if you're over 40, get a freaking bike stand. Do not try to do these things without a bike stand, because you get all contorted and sitting and doing weird things, and you can twist, pull something, and injure yourself. It's just not worth the money. And they do make bike stands that are not hydraulic. You can just get one that you crank up yourself.